In the Know is brought to you by American Southwest Credit Union, bringing you personal banking built on trust, relationships, and local service. 1225 West of Mine Road in Sahuarita. And it is time for In the Know, a chance where we get to have a chance to speak with different organizations. Of course, all brought to you by American Southwest Credit Union. And today, happy to have with us Valley Assistance Services, Chris Erickson. Chris, good to see you.
Hey, how are you doing?
Doing good.
Good.
You had a busy weekend.
Busy weekend,
Oh, yeah.
busy weekend. I'm one of those little people that are driving around in one of those little cars with the wind. So if you see a little car, that'd be me.
I had to throw that out because I know that too. Again, I had to get that one in there. All right, so tell us, you just recently had Empty Bowls.
Yes.
I know our boss, Chet, was out there broadcasting.
Yes.
I was going to do it, and he took it from me.
Oh, boy.
I wanted to be there. But how did it go? How was the turnout in the event?
It was good. It was good. We had about the same amount as we had the previous year.
Nice.
The bowls were incredibly made. The paint, oh my gosh. We have so many creative artists in this area.
Oh, yeah.
They were fantastic. So soup was great. Everything seemed to flow just good. So
That's
that was
awesome.
good. Yeah.
It's awesome, and it helps so many people. For
yes.
those who don't know, maybe they're listening, they just moved here. Tell us, in a nutshell, what is Valley Assistance Services?
So Valley Assistance Services is a combination of social services and community health.
Mm-hmm.
So rental assistance, eviction prevention, utility assistance, benefit advocacy, workforce, and then transportation for older adults, community health for older adults. We have a new community health worker who is now going into the rural communities and helping with that as well. So
that's good.
Yep.
That's good. For somebody who would like to help out Valley Assistance Services, I would think that volunteering has got to be a big part of it.
Absolutely. Volunteering in every aspect. We have volunteers right now in our office. We have people who just want to come in and shred. To those who are entering in data. Some people are signing up to be financial educators or workforce coaches. We have some that are in our fall prevention program. Some that are doing some of our groups. So we have a senior socialization support group, grief group, caregiver support group. So we have volunteers in all aspects, and especially in transportation and driving. And we still need a lot of those drivers because our transportation requests are quite a bit larger than they were before. So, and we really appreciate those who help our organization and others in the community.
Now, this would be like taking people to, their medical appointments,
Yes.
doctor's appointments, the whole bit?
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
That's
Yep.
great stuff.
Yep.
Now, you mentioned, you kind of mentioned workforce development.
Yes.
It sounds pretty good. Tell us all about that.
Yeah. So we have 3 different workforce development programs at our office. And so we are working with DES on one of them. So we are, one of the programs is called SNAP-CAN. The second one we have is an older adult workforce program. So getting someone maybe back into the workforce.
Oh, nice.
If they were maybe retired or, as we know, the costs are kind of fluctuating upward on everything.
Oh, yeah.
So going back to a part-time, or maybe someone wants to work home part-time. And the third one is the women in the workforce, and then getting them the resources and the needs to back up if they're a single mom, or maybe, again, an older woman going back into the workforce, what that might entail. And we are right now working with some organizations to embrace that program and to bolster the resources that we have for that program as well.
Do you have some organizations that I want to say that will pull from the pool because, they know older, hardworking, people sometimes are very dependable, very reliable, and, not just the youth that's out there that could give them that opportunity?
Right. So we're seeing right now across the board different ages, different age groups. An example, we've had someone in their 70s come in and had to do some more schooling online for a certification kind of thing. And so that person came in, finished their stuff online in our computer lab, and is now able to take on that role.
That's
so,
great.
However we can help out, it's really a lot of that. We are going to give group classes, but a lot of it is one-to-one kind of discussion when you're doing workforce, because what are your interests?
Yeah.
What can you do? What do you want to do? And you kind of go from there. So there's a lot of, we have broken it down into different fields and different areas and different surveys and stuff to kind of get you through. So yeah.
What is I've been hearing telemedicine when it
Yes.
comes to VAS.
Yes.
What is telemedicine all about?
So telemedicine is actually having communication and support to connect with your doctor, either at home or via our van. So we have started this now in Santa Cruz County, and this will be going into Pima County just shortly.
Nice.
Cat's out of the bag there, so we're getting into
You
Pima
just
County.
let it out.
There we go. So Santa Cruz County, we do have a telemedicine van that can be used, one, to support those individuals who need to get to their physician in person, or second, support them via telemedicine or telelink to their provider.
Oh, cool.
So
Very
we
cool.
have a bolster in that van that can go into the rural areas in Santa Cruz County.
That is awesome. Now,
Yeah.
also something else you've been working on, and I know you're very proud of, is the Essential Pantry.
Yes.
Tell us
yes.
about that, because that's been a
Yes.
great project.
It's been really good, and we've had some great support within the community for that. I just gave a tour this morning to another group who came in looking at the Essential Pantry. So the Essential Pantry is a new constructed basically room into cabinets for essentials or toiletries. And then we have another portion of that for paper products. Now, some of these products are not covered on other things, like SNAP doesn't cover
Right.
that anymore. And so we have all this kind of starting. We have the closet essential and the pantry essential, and it's really nice to help. We helped 21 households just last week with
Wow.
that essential pantry, which that's only one day.
Yeah.
So it really comes in handy, especially when other benefits don't cover those items.
We're seeing the cost of items going up, and that's going to cause people to have to say, well, we can't get this toiletry or this
Right.
item this month. So this
Right.
could certainly help families.
Correct. So right now, again, and that was kind of the Back to the Empty Bowls event, our whole thing about making choices.
Yeah.
So, we have this amount only coming in. So what choice can we make?
Right.
Is it rent? Is it medications? Is it
Wow.
essentials? Is it food? Is it what's happening? Because now it's kind of cut down. The incomes are cut down, or even the fixed asset or fixed income on an older adult is
Yeah.
cut down.
Exactly.
Where everything else is rising. So we're trying to be helpful with that pantry and provide those essentials that things are not covered in, or maybe they can't afford. That's what
Right.
what we're there for.
For our listeners right now, that somebody is like, I need help. They finally said, I really need help. VAS can be there for them, right? I mean, that's
Correct.
basically, how
Correct.
do they reach out to VAS to get that assistance?
So there's a couple of ways. The old-fashioned way is pick up the phone and give us a jingle at 520-625-5966. Right through our website, and if you fill out the contact form in our website, that comes directly to us.
Cool.
And then also we have a general email. It's info@valleyassistanceservices.org, and that will get through. So there's
Awesome.
a number of ways. Or drop in. We have a lot of people that just walk in and say, I don't know where to go. Can you help?
Oh, man.
You know?
Where
Yeah.
are your office located at?
So we're in the Springs HOA. It's 3950 South Camino del hero with a E at the end. I'll put
There
it
you
that
go.
way.
Heroa. And there you go. I like it. All right. Thank you so much for what you do, Chris, for the community. This is great. VAS. And again, they could hit the website up, give you a call.
Right.
And if they'd like to volunteer or they'd like to make a donation to the pantry, how can they could just do that the same way, right?
Same way. And right now we do have a new volunteer coordinator. Her name is Brooke. So
nice.
if you're interested in volunteering and you're listening to this, give Brooke a call at our number.
All right, very good. Hello, Brooke. All right. Thank you so much for coming in. And once again, In the Know, brought to you by the great folks at the American Southwest Credit Union.